Hello everyone, and welcome back once again to another video on the build bench. Today it's just a quick little kind of product review slash unboxing sort of thing. So I picked this up a week ago, 2 weeks ago now. It arrived, something like that, with the aim of obviously doing a review on it. Now in this video today I won't be putting this into a system, so God knows how it actually performs, but I thought I would show everyone because I think this might possibly be one of the cheapest CPU coolers you can buy. Now obviously it's by a company I've never heard of called iGo. It fits obviously the AM5 platform, it fits Intel's 13th and 14th gen, and then it fits like 1151, 1155, 1200. It's got all the brackets for all the sort of different stuff, AM4. But anyway, I picked this up on AliExpress more for the curiosity as to see whether it would even arrive with it being so cheap. I'll quickly show you the web page and you'll be surprised at how much I paid for it. There it is there, and that is what I paid for it. So £4.66 for a CPU cooler. Now I thought, because it doesn't say on AliExpress itself, but I thought this was a 120mm fan, but I don't think it is. I think it's a 90mm. I'll see if I can quickly open it up with one hand while we're filming. But I mean, the box is a bit knackered, but obviously it's come all the way from China, and it's not packed great, but when it costs £4.66, as long as it works, who really cares? Pull these foam bits out. It's literally just like, it's not even thick foam really, but it'll do the job. Let's take this last one out and pull the thing out. So you've got, so there's not really a lot in the box, to be honest. Yeah, just a couple of pieces of foam, and then obviously I think it comes stock fitted for AMD, and then you get this bracket with it as well. And you do get, I don't know where it is, but you do get like obviously the like a little bag full of the mounting screws, and it comes with a sachet of thermal paste which I won't be using. But yeah, so as you can tell, it's definitely smaller than like the fans inside my PC, so that's what makes me think it's a 90mm or an 80mm fan or whatever. But it's not terrible, to be fair. Little thin stack on it. Doesn't look too bad. 4 copper heat pipes. Yeah, I mean, what's the fan connection? Just 3 pin. But yeah, I mean, you're not going to overclock with it, and you're not going to keep something like a 7800X3D or something like that, or a 4900K cool with it. But if you're running just a 65 watt TDP chip, like an i3 or an i5, it's probably going to do a job, to be fair. I mean, you get a bit of RGB, the fan is RGB. How good the RGB is, who knows, because sometimes it's great from China, sometimes it's absolute garbage, and it's just a red, green and blue LED at each side. Like I said, I haven't plugged this in yet. The worrying thing is a couple of these where the heat pipes come out of the tower at the top, they've been like, I don't know if you can see it, but they've been like smashed in, look. It's the same on the other side. But yeah, I mean, £4.66, can you really complain? I know obviously CPU like air coolers aren't exactly expensive. You can get like a Dark Rock Pro or a Peerless Assassin, what they got to say, back £25–30, but I mean, come on, it's £4.66. It took just over a week to arrive, you can't really complain. I will do another video eventually. I'll probably just put this on my system that I use, because I've got a 65 watt TDP chip or CPU, whatever, and we'll see how it performs. But yeah, it's like I said, it's not terrible. If it works, it works, I suppose. Like, my plan was to buy it and just review it, test it on my system, throw a heat load on it, see how it handles it, and then probably box it up and never use it again. It'll sit on my shelf. But yeah, I was just intrigued. I was looking at AliExpress for water cooling pots for a custom loop, because there's a company called Thankyou on there that are quite well regarded, and this just popped up, so I was like, nearly £5, I'll grab it just to see what it's like. So yeah, anyway, I will end the video there. But yeah, it's there's loads of these coolers on AliExpress, so I won't even put a link in the description. Just literally go on AliExpress and type in CPU cooler and it'll just come up with loads of them. This one specifically is called the iGo Ice 200 Pro. But yeah, so like I said, I'll end it there. Stay tuned, the video will be up eventually for like a performance test of this. Run it through Cinebench or something. But for now, guys, that's it. And hopefully I'll catch you at the next one. Thanks for watching. See you soon.